I don't think you have to do this. This is what I was doing. You're not talking to a monkey.
Monkey, monkey, monkey.
So let's wait for this car to go by. We'll do it one more time.
Hello, this is David. Derek is behind the camera. Welcome to Restoration Crux. Today we are installing the interior doors.
Now say it normally.
In this type of stone houses, they used to have chicken inside the house, and they used to keep them during the night in a place to keep them out of foxes. And they used to have wooden slide doors with rails, handmade, that you can see all the parts functioning. These sliding doors are very easy to install. They only have 4 screws that go directly to the wall. You just have to make sure the rail is well leveled, and then you just put the door, you hang the door on the rail. You'll see it's easy.
All right, let's get to work.
Not fancy, rustic, but perfect for this house. Perfect. Leave a comment. What do you think? Can you show what it is?
Yeah, for sure, man. Do it.